Hello guys, now today I am in the University of Singidunum, so I will introduce with one of the professors.
Hello, my name is Jovana. So I'm a professor at the nursing course here at University Singidunum in Valjevo, which is a medium-sized city in Serbia. So we are located in the center of the city, and we offer a nursing course here for all of the students who are interested.
And ma'am, what is the requirements for the students which want to take admission in a nursing course?
Of course, there are some requirements, for example, ID documents, as well as a high school degree, and there is an enrollment exam, which is actually an online test that students have to pass in order to enroll in the program.
And how many years degree is nursing?
Okay, our program actually lasts for 4 years, and it includes 240 ECTS, which are which are accredited in Europe and also acknowledged by all the Europe institutions.
And I will ask you last question. What is the pathways for the students after finishing the degree from this university?
So we tend to help our students to move on to other better maybe functions and jobs. They usually go abroad, especially Germany or Austria. We help them with establishing a knowledge basis for them to work in Germany. And they usually work in hospitals, they work in actually health centers, which they also work during the studies here in Valjevo. So General Hospital and Primary Health Center are actually places where students fulfill their practical courses and let's say practices.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your time.
Thank you for having me as well.